Hello friends, I am here with next important crop. You can see I have pasted photograph here. Seeds of this crop are in white color, in black color and in brown color also. So this crop is, yes, you are correct. This crop is sesamum. So in today's session, I'll focus on this sesamum crop. Okay, it belongs to which agronomic class? Yes, you are right, from oil seeds. So these are different names of this sesamum crop. Til, in Marathi it is called til, sesam, then gingerly. It is also a question may be there in your examination, right? Cultivation of gingerly. So gingerly means it is not ginger, it is sesamum. Okay. Next, botanical name of this crop. So sesamum indicum is the name of botanical name of this crop, and this crop belongs to family Pedaliaceae. And this crop originated from southwestern Africa and India. Here is importance of this crop. Same like groundnut, this crop is also important edible oilseed crop, and it contains 50 to 52% oil and 18 to 20% proteins in seeds. See, if we think about sesamum production, from this whole production, if we assume it is 100%, from this 78% of production is used for oil extraction, and remaining production of sesamum crop is used for preparation of sweets. See, oil extracted from this 78% of production, 73% oil is used for edible purpose, and remaining oil is used for preparation of paints, pharmaceutical things and insecticides. Let us see, we can consume this sesamum, or we can eat by frying seeds, by mixing seeds with sugars, and by preparing various sweets. This sesamum crop is known as poor man's substitute for ghee. It is important for this line is important for you for objective type question. Which crop is called as poor man's substitute for ghee? So it is, yes, sesamum oil or sesamum. See, low grade oil of this sesamum crop is used in soap preparation. After oil extraction, oil cakes are prepared, and these oil cakes are used for animal feeding, especially for milch animals. That means milk giving animals, and these oil cakes are also used as a manure. If we are using this oil cakes prepared from this sesamum crop for as a manure, it contains 6 to 6.2% nitrogen, 2 to 2.2% phosphorus, and 1 to 1.2% potassium. See, this crop is also known as queen of oilseed crops. It is important for give reason why this crop is called as queen of oilseed crops. As we discussed in first previous slide, it contains 50 to 52% oil. If we compare this oil content with other oilseed crop, it gives more oil content compared to these all other oilseed crops, including rabi and uh, kharif season oilseed crops. So that's why this crop is called as queen of oilseed, because it gives maximum amount of oil compared to other oilseed crops. Okay. See, if we think about its distribution, so Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Orissa, and Karnataka, these are major states of India where this crop is cultivated. If we think about area and production of this India, so 1.74 million hectares of this area, we got 0.60 million tons of production, and productivity is 340 kilograms per hectare. About Maharashtra, 0.15% of area is there, and from this we got 0.03%. It's not percent, 0.037 million tons of production, and productivity is up to 250 kilograms per hectare. Okay. Next part is botanical description of this crop. I'll show actual plant sample in next video. But today in this session, we just have to go through this theoretical part of botanical description. Actually, this is annual herbaceous plant, and it has two types of roots. Few early maturing varieties having poorly developed roots, and late maturing varieties having well developed roots. Okay, if we think about its stem is erect, upper stem is specially covered with short hairs. Leaves are again variable in size and shape. Especially lower leaves of this crop are broader and upper leaves are narrow. Flower color again varies from white to purple uh, color, and seed color again varies from black, white, and brown. Here you can see. You can see here color of flower. Here is white color flower. You can see here these are purple color flowers. Okay, so it is erect growing plant, and if we think about its leaves and size and shape of leaves again varies here. At the base of crop plant, suppose here is a plant. At the base of crop plant, leaves are broad in nature, but as plant grows upward, it produces smaller or narrow leaves. Okay, again, this whole stem bears short, white, granular hairs. Okay, here you can see here is fruit of this sesamum crop here also. So this fruit is called as capsule. It is again important for objective type questions. It looks like a capsule, and this capsule is having four compartments. You can see here one capsule is divided into two compartments, and here you can see these are two and these two. So this capsule is divided into four compartment like structure, and on these in these compartments these seeds are arranged on one another, same like our um, pack of biscuits. Okay, so like that these seeds are again arranged in this kind of this in this capsule. Okay, let's move to next climatic requirement. See, this sesamum is a warm season crop, and this crop requires 25 to 27 degrees Celsius for germination, for initial growth stage, and up to flower formation. But at the time or after flower formation, if at the time of flowering lower temperature is there, so this lower temperature produces sterile pollens, or there may be premature flower drop, and this kind of situation affects yield of this crop. See, this crop is susceptible to waterlogged condition, heavy rainfalls, hailstorms, and frost condition also, same like other crops. If we think about its rainfall requirement, so this crop requires 60 to 100 centimeter well distributed rainfall for better yield of this crop. And this sesamum is cultivated in kharif as well as in rabi season also. Okay, here is next soil requirement of this sesamum crop. We can cultivate this crop on all type of soils, but that soil should have good drainage capacity. So we can cultivate or we can grow this crop on sandy loam soils with adequate amount of soil moisture. Even we can choose slightly acidic to slightly alkaline soil for cultivation, loam type of soil. Heavy clay loam type of soils also used for cultivation of this crop. But this crop grows best or well if soil having pH 5.5 to 8. Okay, that means we can choose this kind of soil or such kind of soil having pH in between 5.5 to 8. Fine. Next is field preparation. So being small seeded crop, this crop requires firm and fine and compact type of seed bed. and for that purpose we should follow field land preparation operations. So one ploughing followed by 2 to 3 harrowings and then planking is important for this sesamum crop for preparation of firm, fine and compact seedbed. Okay, let's move to next part, cropping system. So we can mix this crop with pigeon peas, sorghum, bajra, groundnut, even with cotton and maize also. We can cultivate this crop as a mixed crop also, or we can cultivate this crop with same crops like intercrop also. Okay, see for example, sesamum tur 3 as to 1 or 4 as to 2 proportion is recommended, or 3 lines of sesamum, 1 line of sorghum, 1 line of sesamum, 4 lines of groundnut. This kind of cropping is also recommended for this crop. See, if we think about crop rotation, these are examples of rotations followed in all over India. Sesamum followed by linseed, then sesamum chickpea, sesamum lentil. Lentil means masoor. Okay. Next part is seeds and sowing. See, this part I'll cover in next lecture. Up to this slide, it is clear to everyone. Thank you.